Hello guys, in this tutorial we will know how to create such model in SketchUp. So first you have to draw a rectangle and then you have to select a line. Okay. And after selecting the line you have to press Ctrl using move tool and type #8 for 8 number of copies between the line. And same thing you have to do, just select this line and again copy with Ctrl using move tool and type #8. So here I have divided a grid of faces and then select entire face and then right click and you have to choose a SketchUp artisan subdivision tool. Okay, then you have to select push pull tool and push in upward direction. Now we will use a insert tool. Okay, and we will take some insert and then we will use push pull tool. So I am pushing this face little bit downwards and again using insert tool. Okay, again using push pull tool and pushing the face little bit downwards. Okay, now here what we'll have to do, have to select the entire model and make it in a group. Okay, and after that you have to click over subdivision smooth option in artisan tool to make it subdivide and smooth. Okay, here you have to increase the value 2. So after that you can see that your model will be created something like that. So it's very easy to create such difficult model, complex model in SketchUp using subdivision artisan tool. So guys, if you really like, please follow, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you next tutorial.